Welcome to Lesson 2 on negative bases. When you have a power with a negative base, then parentheses or brackets are very important. So for example, these four expressions all have a negative, a 2, and an exponent of 4, but they are all not equal. Example 1, let's evaluate these expressions here to see how they're different. So in A, we have negative 2 to the power 4. So this means negative 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Now negative 2 times negative 2 is a positive 4. A positive 4 times a negative 2 is a negative 8. And then a negative 8 times a negative 2 is a positive 16. Now in B, there are no brackets. What we have here is 2 multiplied by itself 4 times with a negative in the front. So it looks like negative 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. And with that negative in the front, we get negative 16. So it's different than what we get in A. Now in C, we have negative and then brackets 2 to the power 4. So what we have here is 2 multiplied by itself 4 times in brackets with the negative in the front. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16, and the negative in the front means we get negative 16. Now in D, we have brackets around the whole power. And what we have on the inside is similar to what we had in B. So this is like negative 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is just going to be negative 16 when we work this out. Now what we have in E is negative 2 multiplied by itself 4 times with a negative in front. So it kind of looks like A with the extra negative in the beginning. Now we know that this part here worked out to be positive 16, and that negative in the front now makes it negative 16. So even though brackets were in different spots, some turned out to be the same answer in the end, but not all of them. So you got to be careful. Example 2, negative 11 squared. This is negative 11 times negative 11, which is positive 121. Now B, there's no brackets. This means negative 3 times 3 times 3, which is negative 27. And C is negative 7 multiplied by itself 4 times, which gives us a positive 2,401. Now for this last example, we have something already written out in expanded form as repeated multiplication, and we have to write it as a power. Now in A, we have 10 multiplied by itself 4 times, the negative in the front, so it look like that. Now B, we have negative 9 multiplied by itself 7 times, so we have negative 9 to the power of 7. Now this is not the same as negative 9 to the power of 7. If we had negative 9 to the power of 7, that would look like what we had there in A. So they're not equal.